Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governor-elect of Delta State, Rt.Hon.Oborevwori has promised that his incoming administration will pursue a pan-Delta agenda. Rt.Hon.Oborevwori made a pledge recently in Asaba, where he played host to groups indicating interest to support his government.
Since his emergence as governor-elect of Delta State, Rt.Hon.Oborevwori has been hosting several groups indicating interest to support his government to achieve its development agenda for the state. The Isoko Development Union (IDU) is one of many groups that are willing to be part of the success story of the incoming administration. Speaking during a recent solidarity visit to the next governor of Delta State in Asaba, President General of the IDU, Professor Chris Akpotu, was confident that the Isoko nation would get a new deal in governance from the incoming administration.
The festival that will be interesting, from the outskirts of the community. And that is exactly what Mr. Speaker, Governor-elect has shown to us, that for us as his in-laws, he holds us equally dearly. Your Excellency, the Isoko people that are seated here, they've given me one assurance that I have to pass on to you, that come rain, come shine, as a very dear in-law that you are to us, our support to you is extremely guaranteed.
In his response, Rt.Hon.Oborevwori promised to run an inclusive government that would leave no group behind in Delta State.
I'm going to operate an open government that will be very responsive. There's going to be all inclusiveness. As a pan-Deltan, I will not be a governor for Okwe. I'll be a governor for all Deltans. But Isoko will also be very special by the grace of God.
Earlier, the Urhobo Progress Union (UPU) met with Rt.Hon.Oborevwori, the outgoing Speaker of Delta State House of Assembly, to congratulate him on his emergence as governor-elect and make demands on the incoming administration. One of the demands made by President of the Urhobo Progress Union, Chief S.A. Gam, on behalf of his group was industrialization of Delta State to create jobs.
I want to let you know that on our own part and on behalf of your Urhobo nation, which is going to be a part of your government, a part of your jurisdiction, that we are solidly behind you. We'll be solidly behind you the more if you are able to focus your attention on your more agenda. You will sit down too and think about how to create industries so that these our teeming youths can be gainfully employed.
Rt.Hon.Oborevwori assured the leadership of the Urhobo Progress Union that his government would faithfully implement his development blueprint, known as the More Agenda, to unleash general prosperity in Delta State. The incoming governor of Delta State, however, enjoined community leaders and traditional rulers to key into his agenda for peace and security, which he identified as a precondition for sustainable development in the state.
We will do our best to bring development to Deltans, but also to the UPU and other ethnic nationality, President General and all that have a lot of role to play. Because when we have security, that brings a lot of development.
The Conference of Speakers, in which Rt.Hon.Oborevwori serves as chairman, also found time to pay a solidarity visit to one of its own recently in Asaba. Chairman of the Conference of Speakers, Rt.Hon. Abubakar Suleiman, is confident that his colleague in Delta State has the requisite experience to govern the oil-rich state.
Managing a House of Assembly for 4 years or for 8 years is something that is very difficult. But once you manage that, then managing the state will be very easy. And I know him very well, very close. We worked very close with him, and I'm sure he's going to deliver. I'm sure the people of Delta State have made a very nice choice.
Rt.Hon.Oborevwori would be sworn in as the next governor of Delta State on the 29th of May 2023. Already he has inaugurated an 88-member transition committee led by Professor Emmanuel Nwanze to provide the groundwork for effective and efficient governance in Delta State under his watch. Rt.Hon.Oborevwori, who is leaving office as the longest-serving speaker since 1999, brings his wealth of experience and social intelligence to bear in the governance of Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,